How to sign up for GCash account. First of all, install the GCash application from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Then launch the application. Then you will land on this kind of interface. Here, you have to provide your active mobile number, which will serve as your GCash account number. So enter your mobile number, then tap on Next button from this interface. After that, you have to fill out the registration form. Provide your required information such as your full name, birth date, address and email address. Once you are done with that, now you have to set a 4-digit MPIN or MPIN, that is your mobile personal identification number. Create a secure MPIN for your account which will be used to access your GCash account. Now, in order to verify your mobile number, after that, GCash will send a 6-digit OTP to your mobile number. Enter the OTP in the application to confirm your number. Again, once you're done with that, you will be taken into next phase where you have to verify your identity. So for the full account access, you have to complete the KYC process. Tap on Verify Now on your dashboard. Then update a photo of your valid ID. Take a selfie for identity verification and fill in the additional personal detail if you're prompted there. Now, once you have provided all your identity, you have to wait for the approval. So, the verification will typically take a few minutes to hours. Once approved, you will receive a notification. And then you're all set. After completing registration and verification, you can start using GCash to send money, pay bills, buy load and more. And thanks for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing.